Hello students, I am making a tutorial for you guys to introduce you to the alphabet. I made a slideshow for you guys that goes through every letter of the alphabet, and you guys can practice this until you're proficient. I know that a lot of you are already masters of these letters. You know every sound, every shape, how to use them well. But I want to make sure we're on the same picture here when it comes to identifying the parts of a letter, namely the sounds, the pictures, and the names. Look at the three words in the top of your screen: sounds, pictures, and names. Sometimes I'll ask you, what is the name of a letter? And you have to tell me the name. But sometimes I'll ask you, what is the sound of the letter? And that'll be different from the name usually. Or I'll ask you the picture. So 3 different questions that I'll have about letters. And we will go through this little tutorial to show you what I'm talking about. Let's start on the letter A. So here is A for apple. And apple starts obviously with the letter A. Ah. And then the picture is apple, because we have a picture of an apple. And then the name of the letter is A. Those are those 3 parts: the sound, the picture, the name. Apple, A. Say those 3 together over and over and over again. You'll remember it the rest of your life. Here's an example for the letter B. The picture is a beach. And we have highlighted here that letter B because that's the beginning sound. And the B goes B, B, B. So the way we would say this letter is B, B, beach, B. So going back here, apple, A. B, B, beach, B. You're saying the sound, the picture, and the name of the letter. Letter C. Cobra, C. The sound of the C is K. The picture is a cobra, and the name of that letter is C. I'll do one more for you, and then I think you'll have the hang of it. We made it to the letter D, and our picture is dominoes. The beginning sound is D, D, D. And the name of the letter is D. So if I ask you, what is the name of this letter? You say, letter D. We don't want to get mixed up with the sound of the D. D. Okay, so 3 different things: the sound, the picture, and the name of the letter. I'm going to run through just those 4 in a row so you get the rhythm. This would be apple, A. B, B, beach, B. Cobra, C. D, D, dominoes, D. That is the pattern you will use for all the letters. And I made a separate video that goes through each letter, making the sounds just like I did. And you can do the entire alphabet along with that. And remember, you can go at your own pace. You're going to have a slideshow. You get to click on the next slide. So if there's a letter that's a little tricky or you're going a little bit slow, it's fine. You can go at your own pace. So thank you for tuning in. I do expect you to practice these letters, okay? I'll be talking more to you specifically about who needs this type of help. And yes, go ahead and keep practicing. I will see you soon.